Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will draw a very special drawing of tying Rakhi to the brave soldiers of our country. At the end of the video, we will tell you how you can make this Rakshabandhan celebration special for the soldiers. Now let's start with the drawing. Start with the drawing of the first soldier who is bent over so he can get his Rakhi tied to him. Use basic shapes to construct and draw the characters. Keeps the strokes light in the first stage so later we can add details. Now let us draw the little girl who is tying the Rakhi. The most important thing to notice here is how the proportions of the little girl and the soldier vary. Keep that in mind and draw accordingly. Next, draw the soldier standing behind the first soldier so he can also get his Rakhi tied by the little girl. Use the same method we used for the first two characters using basic shapes. Take some time and draw the details of the characters like the expressions and details of the clothes. We believe you are enjoying the video. Don't forget to like the video. Erase the light strokes and darken them, which will be our final outline. After that, draw in the background while taking your time. We believe you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe for more such content. While drawing the background, keep in mind the proportions of the props and the perspective as well. Once you are done with the background, now let's move on to coloring the sketch. Subscribe if you haven't already. We upload 2 tutorials every Saturday and Sunday. Make sure strokes are uniform and in the same direction, so the sketch looks more cohesive. While coloring, one thing you should keep in mind is the proportion of colors so that you can have a balanced sketch. Carefully blend the colors together so the sketch looks livelier. Make sure to pay attention to the source of light, as it will define the position of shadows and highlights on the sketch. Now, in order to do something special for the Jawans on this Rakshabandhan, send a Rakhi to the Jawans with a letter of how you appreciate them and respect them. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.